How's it going? Mike Love here, MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're taking a look at this brand new 2026 Grady-White Fisherman 236. You'll be able to see here, we have this beautiful coastal fog blue hull color. And this boat's gonna be powered by a 350 Yamaha. Why don't you climb aboard and we'll go through some of the features. Starting here on the back of the boat, you're gonna see nice space for walking around on the transom. And then across the back here, you do have a large fish box, as well as a live well and a retractable ski tow pylon. A nice bench seat in the back for when you're getting out to your fishing spots. And once you get there, super easy. Fold that down, open up this cockpit space for more fishing or entertaining. On the back of the helm seat, you have rod holders, rocket launchers overhead, tackle storage built in, and additional storage down here. Moving forward to the helm, Grady-White leaves a blank space so you can put whatever electronics you'd like. You have your Yamaha vessel gauge to get all your engine diagnostics in real time, digital throttle and shift on that 350 Yamaha, fusion sound system all throughout the boat, and a full wraparound windshield, keep you nice and protected underway. Nice head on this boat, really great finish on the Grady-Whites. That full head is going to be finished, nice flooring in there as well. On the bow of the boat, we have lots of seating for entertaining, or you can pull these cushions off and use the whole space as a casting platform. Each of these boxes are fish boxes that drain overboard, and they are insulated. You have these bolsters that can pop up and fold away if you want to use it for fishing, or you can use them as backrest if you're just hanging out or cruising. So again, this is Mike Love here on our Grady-White Fisherman 236. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. Thanks, and see you out on the water.